Namaste everyone. This is Dr. Pratibha K.S., Head Department of Biotechnology at KLE Society's at Ninjinappa College, Rajanagar, Bengaluru. Today I'm before you to present syllabus of Bangalore University, Immunology and Animal Biotechnology. Okay, paper 6. In my earlier video I have given paper 5, genetic engineering and environmental biotechnology syllabus. Now, BTT, that is biotechnology theory 503, immunology and animal biotechnology. Total number of hours here 40 hours. Okay, now let us go to the part A. Okay, part A is immunology and part B is animal biotechnology. First, let us go through part A, immunology. Okay, here you are going to study for 22 hours. Okay, so here first unit 1 here, history and scope of immunology are going to study. Okay, then we'll focus on immunity, that is innate and acquired immunity. Here active and passive immunity are going to study. Okay, then you are also studying here humoral mediated immunity and cell mediated immunity you are going to study over here. Okay, then cell organelles. Okay, under that you are going to study primary, secondary and lymphoid organs, okay, of immune responses and their functions you are going to study here. Okay, so unit 1, history and scope of immunology, then types of immunity in this: innate and acquired immunity, active and passive immunity, humoral and cell mediated immunity are going to study. Then cells and organs of the immune system, primary and secondary lymphoid organs you need to study in detail, and you need to study the immune responses and their functions. Next unit 2, which is very most important under this immunology unit. Unit 2, here you're going to study antigens, types, epitopes, haptons and factors that influence antigenicity. Okay. Then you are going to study antibodies. In antibodies, you are going to study structure, types, properties of antibodies and functions of immunoglobulins. Okay, later you'll also study about production of antibodies. How are we going to produce these antibodies? Okay, monoclonal antibodies you are going to study. Then usually in the exam they ask you for all these antigens, antibodies and blood cell components for 5 marks or 10 marks. Okay, so you need to focus more. So next one is blood cell components. Under that, ABO blood grouping, RH typing. Okay, then you need to focus here. Okay, this is very, very important. Blood cell components. In the exam, they may ask you on specifically only blood cell components, or they may ask you to explain ABO blood grouping along with RH typing. Okay, the next thing you are going to study here is antigen antibody reaction. In this antigen antibody reaction, whatever mentioned here, only those antigen antibody reactions you are going to study, like precipitation, immunoelectrophoresis, heme agglutination, labeled antibody like RIA, ELISA and immunofluorescent techniques. So all this which comes under unit 2. Then coming to unit 3. Unit 3 you are going to study here complement system. Here structure, components, properties and functions you are going to study. Then you are going to study here hypersensitivity. Okay, here you are going to study hypersensitivity and allergic reactions in detail. Okay, this is all about the unit 3. Now here next one is unit 4. Okay, here in unit 4 you are going to study vaccines and immunization, that is passive and active immunization you are going to study. Next one is types of vaccines, inactive, attenuated and recombinant vaccines you are going to study, like peptide and DNA vaccines. So all this which comes under the immunology paper part A under paper 6. Okay, then let us go through animal biotechnology. Okay, this is part B. We have mentioned part A, part B, but both part A and part B are going to write in a single script. Okay, next video I'm going to discuss with question paper also, the pattern of question paper, everything. Okay, now this is part B, animal biotechnologies. Here you're going to study what 18 hours. Here, unit 1, you are going to study about culture media. Okay, here, simulating natural conditions for growth of animal cells. Then, natural media. Okay, under that, plasma clot, biological fluid, tissue extract, embryo extract, importance of serum in media. Okay, then chemically defined media are going to study. Then growth factors like promoting proliferation of animal cells, that is EGF, FGF, PDGF, then interleukin first, second, NG, okay, and erythropoietin. Okay, then here unit 2, you are going to study primary culture. Okay, and the primary culture you are going to focus on cell lines. Okay, cell lines and cloning, disaggregation of tissues, isolation of tissue, enzyme disaggregation, and mechanical disaggregation you are going to study in this particular unit. Then secondary culture. In secondary culture, you are going to study transformed animal cells and continuous cell lines you are going to study over. Then unit 3, a transfection of animal cell lines. Okay, here transfection of animal cell lines, then hat selection specifically, hat selection, selectable markers, and transplantations of cultured cells. Okay, then expression of cloned proteins in animal cells. Okay, here expression vector you are going to study. Expression vector is different, and this replication vector is totally different. Okay, here overproduction and downstream processing of the expressed proteins you are going to study. The last unit under this paper 6, applications of animal tissue culture, production of vaccines in animal cells. Okay, production and applications of monoclonal transgenic animals, techniques and applications. Okay, and in that specifically applications of transgenic animals, we are going to study mice and sheep. Okay, so this is all about the paper 6, immunology and animal biotechnology theory part. Now let us go through the experiment what you are going to perform here. Okay, first experiment is blood grouping. Explain number 1 here, blood grouping. Second, differential counting of WBC. Third one is Vidal test and VDRL test. Okay. Then fourth one is dot ELISA. Fifth one dot ELISA demonstration. Okay, this sandwich ELISA demonstration. Sixth one is Octoloni double diffusion, in short ODD, and single radial immunodiffusion. Seventh one, isolation of liver parenchyma cells and assessment of viability, tryptophan, blue, Tryphan blue. Okay, sorry. It's specifically you are using here Tryphan blue exclusion method. Okay. The next one is rocket immunoelectrophoresis. Then separation of serum from blood and precipitation of immunoglobulins. The next is spotters. Okay, I'll give you the spotters list. Now let us go through here the questions, what all will be asked in the examination. Okay, you are going to get in the examination questions like this. Question number 1, isolate the parenchyma cells from the given sample A and stain. Okay, first you need to isolate the parenchyma cells. Then once you isolate, you need to focus under the microscope and you need to call the examiner for the observation. This carries 7 marks. Okay, this particular question number 1 carries 7 marks. So principle, procedure 3 marks, performance 3 marks, result 1 mark. Okay, so this is about the question number 1. Okay, next one is question number 2. Perform blood grouping or differential count of WBC from the given sample B. This carries 5 marks. Here you need to focus on performance of the experiment, then principle, calculation and result. Here performance 2 marks, principle 2 marks, calculation and result 1 mark. Okay, and here the next one is perform VDRL. Okay, or Vidal test with the given sample C. This carries 4 marks. Then here 4 marks, principal 2 marks and result 2 marks. Okay. Next one is identify and comment on the spotters D, E and F. This carries 7 marks. 7 marks means identification 1 mark, then comment 2 marks will be there. Okay. So now let us go through what are the spotters you need to study for your examination point of view. Okay. Here you are going to study spotters like serum sample, growth factors like EGF, FGF, PDGF, Prox bottle, roller flask, stirrer flask, dot ELISA, strips, ODD, SRID, RIEP, monoclonal antibody production, specifically some of the immunoglobulins structures like IgG, IgM, IgE, photographs we are going to keep. You need to identify those particular photographs and you need to write what are based on that particular spotters, whatever you have observed. Okay, so this is all about the spotters. Next question is Viva O's will be there. This carries 5 marks. Okay, then sixth one is class records. And Viva will be asked from the theory and practical part. Okay, immunology and animal biotechnology only will be asked. So for some curiosity, so some of the teachers may ask you out of the syllabus, but most of them will ask the questions from the theory and practical concepts only. Okay, hope you understood today's syllabus, immunology and animal biotechnology. Thank you for being with me. Hope I made myself clear to you. Okay. I, Dr. Pratibha K, signing off for today. Stay tuned with me. I'll be back with some more videos. Thank you for watching.